In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best VJ's coupon promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for VJ's coupon promo code. Right here, search for this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that you can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with $3 discount, all you have to do right here is select get coupon. And as you can see, there is no code needed right here. All you have to do is select continue to this offer, and you'll be redirected to the website, and the promo code will be applied automatically, and you'll get that discount. Also, scrolling down a little bit, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here we have a list with also some promo codes. For example, we have this one right here with 5% discount. Simply select copy code right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy this one from right here, and you can use this promo code on your next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.